Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a mini pouch with single piece of fabric. The measurement of the fabric is 11 by 11 inch. I have used the patchwork fabric here. In total 9 pieces with measurement 10 by 10 centimeter. Zipper with length 13 inches and a zip runner. For this cute pouch I'm not using lining or canvas. At first we need to fold the cloth. Here I want a single part of the zip. Open the zipper first. Attach the zipper to the fabric. Zipper should be attached to the folded side. I have attached the zipper here. Now turn it and top stitch the zipper. Top stitching will give a neat finish. After attaching the zipper, zip runner to be inserted. A small cut should be given to one part of the zipper as I did in the video. This is the easiest method to insert the zip runner. Start inserting the zip runner from one side of the zipper. Then put the cut part through another side of the zip runner. Now the zip runner is attached to the zipper. Keep the zipper open. Turn the fabric inside out. There will be two sides open. One side is attached with the zipper and the other side is already closed as we folded the fabric. Now we need to stitch the open sides. Turn the purse right side out. Now our mini purse is ready. I did this purse in just 5 minutes. We can use this purse to keep the ointments and it will be very helpful in travel time. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.